like to copy my dad's nature of working and his successes in the future.
I want to be like my dad because he's caring. He always likes to walk in his...
Cute little kings will actually blow your mind and make your weekend amazing. Like, you want to have kids if you don't have yet. Like, they love the show to their father. During an interview section where they were being interviewed about their father, I'm talking about E-Money and I'm talking about his 3 handsome boys, and trust me, these guys are just so smart. From the way they speak, answer the questions and all of that, it was just amazing. And that's what I want to share with you here. We all know last weekend by this time it was all about E-Money birthday party, and it went down so well. And he shared a video so exciting, showing the love the children display for him on his birthday, and I'm sharing that with you guys here in this video. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know we value your thoughts here a lot. And also,
My name is Chukwuebuka Chidera DeAndre.
So my name is Chukwudubem Daniel.
My name is Chukwemeka David Okonkwo.
Soon it's going to be my dad's birthday.
I would like to say I hope
You have a good birthday.
and I hope you have the best day ever.
I would just genuinely like to wish him a happy birthday and wish him many more years in his life.
I wish you the best lucks.
Thank you for caring for all of our family all these years.
Daddy is always using his phone. Daddy is always using his phone.
I'm saying my dad is warm-hearted, affectionate, and very kind.
Sometimes he can be kind and sometimes he can be angry.
Most of the times he's either upstairs in the gym or on a phone call. It matters who he's talking to. If he's talking to a family member, he will speak like maybe Nigerian, Igbo or something, and if he's speaking to someone English, like from a shop or someone, he'll speak like in an English voice.
If he's either angry at me, he gets his belt and hit me. But if he's angry at one of those workers, he shouts at them.
So he just like, if he's angry and he like asks you to do something, like if I was you, just get it done.
The first voice is like Odima or something, and then the second voice is hello or something like that.
I would like to copy my dad's nature of working and his successes in the future.
I want to be like my dad because he's caring. He always likes to walk in his pajamas around the house.
A bit like he's loud, he's funny, and he's like smiles most of the time.
The thing I dislike, it's not that bad, but it's how most of the times he's on a phone call and he hardly spends any time with his children. Yeah, but it's okay. He still spends time with us.
And he always likes to go to the gym.
I like how he's, even though he's the youngest in like the family, he's the youngest brother, but he still helps everyone.
Oh, okay, I remember this. So when my dad and my mom were about to get married, there was some other guy who was competing with my dad to try and get to mommy. I forgot his name,